Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We just finished up Pablo's Road Glide ST. He's friends with Jason from JV Surveillance. Heard Jason's bike, completely loved the weight sound, so he knew he wanted us to do the build for him. And of course, he's got an LP6 headlight set up just like Jason did, so it makes it a real pain in the ass to get the amplifiers to fit in the fairing, and the bike doesn't have a tour pack, but we got it done, it's no problem. The problem with these LP6 headlights is there's a couple of different companies that make the brackets. There's actually a few different companies that make the brackets, and they all make them a little bit different, so they all provide different challenges. In Pablo's bike, the center trim piece goes top to bottom. Normally it's only a bottom half piece. This one goes top to bottom, so it makes it even harder to get an amplifier to go back there. But Kyle did this one, he did a great job on it. So 1600.1 went under the radio, the 800.4 went completely behind the headlight plate. And then Pablo installed the headlights himself. So where he positioned the wires for the headlights is where we need to put the amplifier, so we had to reroute all the wiring and move it to the side so we can get the amplifier to fit in the center. But we got everything in there, nice fit and finish. Bike came out phenomenal. He was blown away by the sound. He knew it was going to sound good, but he was blown away by the way it sounded. He was really, really happy. This is a super mint condition bike. Now the audio matches the look of the bike. Beautiful fit and finish. The bike still looks stock until he turns on the audio. Then that's the only way you can tell that it's been touched. So we did NVS Audio Stage 5. He went with ported bags, but not sealed. Jason's bags are sealed. Pablo said he needed a little bit of storage space. He didn't want his bag sealed. So we did 10-inch Cicada mid-bass, ported, not sealed. Sound Digital Evo X2 1600.1 in the fairing. Sound Digital Evo X2 800.4 in the fairing. HKI Mini DSP. NVS Audio T-harness to make it plug and play, and full NVS Audio oxygen-free copper wiring, distribution block, and RCAs. The bike was then RCA tuned, and of course we did a Braille lithium battery, so the amplifiers get all the current they need to perform. Check out the build. So the bike came in with a really nice Hertz setup, MP4D, and SX165, but it's just not loud enough for the client. He wanted more, and he wanted bass. Hertz doesn't make a 10-inch mid-bass, so we couldn't use Hertz for that. But ran a 4-gauge for the 1600.1. XT90 quick disconnects for the 10s and the bags. $1600.1 under the factory radio, 800.4 directly behind the headlight bracket, HKI Mini DSP, T-harness.
Now here I go again, I see the crystal visions. I keep my visions to myself. Baby, lately we've been getting way too loud. All the neighbors been telling us we gotta keep it down. Ya yo me cansé, no quiero ser tu amante. Te digo de mi parte que no aguanto más. Ya no aguanto ver el otro como dice que es el dueño tuyo. Me mata el orgullo, él ni te sabe hablar. Esta la hice pa' él. Cuando la escuche quiero estar ahí para ver. Cuando se entere y sepa que soy dueño de usted. Tal vez suene un poco mal, lo sé. Y la novia grito tuyo, que con él te sientes fría. A mí yo me siento tuyo, yo sé que no te sientes mía. Y la novia grito tuyo, que eres una porquería. Para limpiar las heridas, a veces solo una gota puede vencer la sequía. ¿Y para qué llorar? ¿Para qué? Si duele una pena, se olvida. ¿Y para qué sufrir? ¿Para qué? Si hacías la vida y que This is the remix.
Dices que de mí ya te olvidaste y de tu mente borraste cuando yo te hacía pam 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 pam.